Good morning. I was craving something savory for breakfast, so I made this halloumi breakfast bowl with scrambled eggs, mushrooms, spinach, and cherry tomatoes. This is super cozy and tasty. It's perfect for fall when the weather is cooling down. Fall is my favorite season, and today I'll be making more cozy and fun meals, but now I'm gonna go eat the breakfast because I am starving. For lunch, I'm gonna try out a salad I saw on Pinterest, which had roasted sweet potatoes, pomegranate seeds, arugula, pine nuts, and feta, but I'm gonna use goat cheese because I think it works very well with sweet potatoes. And then I'm gonna add chicken for protein. I just made a marinade for the chicken of garlic infused olive oil, paprika, oregano, chili flakes, salt, and pepper. So next I'm gonna chop the sweet potatoes and then I'm gonna bake them in the oven with the chicken. So it should be really simple and easy to make. Next, I'll mix the sweet potatoes with some garlic infused olive oil and salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna bake them at 220 Celsius degrees, which I think is 430 in Fahrenheit. The chicken should be cooked in 10 to 12 minutes, but the sweet potatoes will take longer, around 25 minutes. So I'm just gonna take the chicken out of the oven a bit earlier. Here is the ready lunch. I ended up adding my go-to homemade balsamic Dijon mustard dressing on top. These look so good. Can't wait to try it out. Like I said, fall is my favorite season, so I've been trying to find some fall decorations, which has not been easy because we don't really have fall decorations available here in Finland, and I think it's because we don't really celebrate Halloween and we don't have Thanksgiving, so it's not that common to decorate for fall. But I've been able to find some things. I got this pumpkin mold. I think this is actually meant for chocolate, but I'm gonna use these as ice cube trays because how great are these for iced pumpkin spice lattes. Then I obviously have to get a fall scented candle. This smells just like pumpkin spice. Then I found a pumpkin spice soap, and I've been trying to read more. So I saw on TikTok a lot of people recommended this pumpkin spice cafe book. So I hope this is good. This one I actually found already last year from a very small boutique, but I think it's super cute. You can put a candle inside, and then the best part, these pumpkin pillows. A friend of mine actually found these at a grocery store, and she knows how much I love fall, so she got these for me, which was so nice. I'm gonna put these on the couch. So that's all I have found in this far, but hopefully I'll find some more decorations throughout the fall months, but I think this is a pretty good start. For a pre-workout snack, I'm making high-protein raspberry smoothie. So we need frozen raspberries, frozen banana, a little bit of milk, and high-protein Greek yogurt. This is the yogurt I use. It contains 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. And then this is optional but adds a little flavor. So lastly, I'm adding vanilla extract. So now I'm just gonna add everything into the blender. Here is the ready smoothie. It's super creamy and refreshing. For dinner, I'm making salmon rice bowls with avocado, cucumber, and a homemade dressing. For the dressing, I just mixed together Greek yogurt, hot sauce, a little bit of light mayo, and a pinch of salt. The salmon I seasoned with salt and pepper, and next I'm gonna cook it on a pan. I'm also gonna make edamame for a side dish. I've been obsessed with these lately. I like to boil them for a few minutes and then I drain them. And lastly, cook on a pan with a little bit of butter for just about 1 minute and add some salt on top, and they turn out so good. Next, I'm gonna cook the rice and the salmon. I cooked the salmon for about 4 minutes per side. And here is the ready dinner. I added chopped green onions and sesame seeds on top. For dessert, I'm having a piece of these healthier brownies that I made yesterday. These brownies are super fudgy and yummy, but they looked a lot better yesterday when they were freshly baked. I'll add the written recipes to the description box as always. If you're looking for more easy, healthy recipes, check out my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. Let me know in the comments what kind of fall recipes you would want to see next. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!